Good morning, caterpillars. I hope you've had a wonderful week. We are still in the month of October. Look, we have a week left. I can't believe how fast October is going. After October is finished, we will go on to the month of November. Right down here is Halloween. So we're going to celebrate Halloween the 31st, and it is a Saturday this year. Yesterday was Wednesday. Today is Thursday, and then tomorrow will be Friday already. I see this is on this date already. It is the 22nd of October. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. All right, let's keep going. So we have been talking a lot about weather lately. So I want you to fill out, if you have a weather graph still you can find, you can go back in and fill that weather graph out again. What's the weather like at your house today? Is it sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, foggy, or snowy? And then what is the temperature? Is the temperature hot? Is it hotter? Is it warm? Is it cool? Or is it cold out? What is the temperature at your house? Let's talk about where these frogs are. Where is this frog? He is on the table. Great job. The frog is on the table today. I'm going to pick a shape. Tell me what shape. Rectangle. Good. A rectangle has how many sides? 4. And what's special about a rectangle? Say, 2 short sides. These are the shorter sides. Look at their length. They're short. And then there's 2 long sides. This is a long side. 2 short sides and 2 long sides. Let's clap rectangle. Rectangle. 3 syllables in the word rectangle. Good work. Today we are going to talk about this letter. What letter is that? Good. This is the letter C. And do you know something? I begin with the letter C. Listen. Cochrane. 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 Did you hear that? Like car, caterpillar, cat, cup, and coffee all begin with the K sound. I left this blank because I want you to tell me something that makes the K sound. We're going to watch a video later, and then I want you to think about some things that you heard that begin with the K sound. K, K, K. What else would you think? Oh, cookie is a good one too. We'll talk more about the letter C in a moment. Letter C is just like this. It does not go all the way around. It's open a little bit because it loves to eat cookies. I love cookies too. Today we're going to talk about this number. What comes after 5? After 5 comes number 6. So this is our number 6. Okay, so I already put 6 on a dice. This is what a dice looks like. When I look at this dice, I see 3 on this side. And I see 3 on this side. Wow, that is 6. We need to move Mario to the number 6. Are you ready? All right, let's start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did we get it? Does that number match that number? It does. Mario can go down. Yay! He made it through the tunnel. Number 6. All right, I need 6 objects. Do you guys think you can help me? We're going to stack 6 of them on top of each other. And remember, tell me when to stop. I'm looking with my eyes. I'm counting in my head. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I heard you stop. I'm going to stop at 6. Good job. Last week when we talked about 5, we talked about this 10 frame. And we know if we put 5 objects in, we fill up the first row. So what do you think we need to do next? Got 5. What do I need to do?
Stinks.
All right, good job. So we have 5, and then we put one more on there for 6. Good job. That is the number 6. After 5 comes 6. What comes after 6? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Ooh, number 7 we'll learn about soon. All right, it's time to come back to the letter C. So these are all things that start with C. We're going to watch this video, and then I really want you to pay attention to this sound. Cochrane and caterpillar, they have the same beginning sound. Okay, I can't wait for you to listen. Remember to put something right here. Think, oh, what do I need to put here? I need to think of a sound. I need to think of the K sound. All right, let's go.